Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. So today we're going to see a guide for a troubleshooting on GE washer won't start wash cycle. So how can you fix this problem? Watch the video till the end to know how to do that. First of all, what you can do, you can check for the power supply. So verify that the power cord is securely plugged in. Test the outlet with another device and check for tripped breakers. You can also inspect the door or the lead switch. So a washer won't start if the door isn't closed or the switch is faulty. You can also examine the control lock features. So the control lock feature disable washer control when it's activated. Go to the lock icon on the panel and press and hold the lock button for 3 seconds. Then what you can also do, you can verify the washer setting on your panel. Select a valid cycle and ensure that the inspector is not between setting and cancel delay starts by holding the start button for 3 seconds. So you can go and reset the washer, and that by only unplugging the washer for 2 minutes, and then you reconnect it and try the cycle again. You can also inspect for error codes. So error codes can indicate specific problems. So refer to the user manual or the panel and identify the code and follow the recommended troubleshooting steps so the washer will work again on the cycle. And if any of this solution won't be working, you can of course consult a professional. So if the problem pursue, you can just go to the GE official website, go to contact them and try to talk to someone who can provide help for you. You have many options to contact them. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you on our next video.